What are we doing today? All right, so today, well, welcome back, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be changing the lower control arms. I purchased some Whiteline KTA135s, that's the model number, and we're going to be installing them. What do we got? So we get a baggie with some hardware in it. We have some block off washers, new bolts, lock washer, lock nut and washer. And we have the adjustable control arm here. I'm doing this with one hand, but you can adjust it. And it has about 100 millimeters of adjustability, which is huge. So we can get the car, dialed in. So this is the control arm. As you can see, you can make your adjustments like so, and you have the bolt to lock it in place, and vice versa on the other side. This side's locked. Oh, no, it's not. Got it. And you can adjust it like so, thus pushing out the wheel from the bottom, giving you some camber, if that's what you need. These things are pretty sweet though. They're beefy as well. Like, it's very, very strong. Yeah. They came wrapped in this foam so they don't get scratched. And those are the bolts. My scissors. Cut this open. But like, one of the best parts about it for me was that it has these, like, I don't know if you can see it there, these like lockout washers, so that it keeps the bolt strictly in place, because on the Evolution, it's actually slotted so that you can make, from factory, you can make the adjustments, but this blocks it out, which is what I kind of like. And then you make all the adjustments on the control arm itself. So it does also come with some instructions. But yeah, that's the unboxing. All right, so I got the tire off, and we're gonna go ahead and remove this bolt here and that bolt there. And I think first we're just going to measure the distance and then transfer this measurement to the other side. One thing is, it's required to get another alignment afterwards, so we're definitely going to do that. $14.5. So the bolts are 17s. And I've already loosened them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the job. Oh, here's the comparison. The KTA135 lower control arm and the factory lower control arm. So these are the eccentric bolts that actually this is what gives you the adjustment for camber. And as you can see, mine, they're, for lack of a better word, they do not work anymore. As you can see, it can spin and you can't really set camber. I can order a new set of these, but I thought that it'd be more worthwhile to purchase this guy. And then it makes it so that there's no play and it stays in the center, which is pretty dope. All right, so we're done with the install. Oh, let's get down low. You can see them just underneath there. Next up is to get an alignment to complete the install. But yeah, it's a fairly simple install. Took about 2 hours to do, plus a little bit of like research, things like that, but got it all done.